In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace fittings in Dixon's modular connection system. Remove the retaining plate screws using a 5/32 inch Allen wrench. Slide the fittings forward to remove the retaining plates. Push the fittings back to remove them from the MCS. Apply lubricant, such as oil or silicone grease, to the fitting bores. Push the new fittings through the blocks. Install the retaining plates. Push the fittings back until the retaining plates are flush with the blocks. Start the retaining plate screws, then torque them to 30 to 50 inch-pounds. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at DixonValve.com. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.